This is Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas cruise ship, Adrenaline Peak, which is on deck 16, port side near the rear. This is the rock climbing wall called Adrenaline Peak. Few of the rules here: kids must be at least 6 years old. Between ages 6 and 12, a parent or guardian must be present and available. There is a weight limit as well. You do need to have dry clothes, so no swimwear, your own socks, and you have to use their special climbing shoes, and you put on a harness. It seemed as though this climbing wall was open all the time. From morning till night it was open, so it gives the kids a lot of opportunity, a lot of flexibility to climb this. This is great for kids and adults. A lot of great opportunities to climb and get some exercise. There is 5 different routes on this, so there's 5 different stations or harnesses, so 5 climbers can be going at the same time. On this far right, the red route is an Olympic course, and it's the hardest of any Royal Caribbean ship out there. So the red is very challenging, so it was fun for the kids to challenge themselves on that. Here is an evening session, so after dinner the kids would want to come up here, from 7 to 9 o'clock and climb on this. There's different competitions throughout the cruise as well. There was some family competitions, some speed climbing events. They had some for kids, adults. Using this climbing wall in the evenings, it was interesting that there's no water fountain station around here, and around the corner, just under the basketball hoop there to the right, there is a Coke Freestyle machine, but it seemed as though that closed down at like 8 o'clock every night. They'd close it down, they'd be cleaning it out. So there wasn't a lot of opportunities to get beverages, drinks. Even the bar underneath this basketball court, this base camp area, closes down even around 9 o'clock while the climbing wall is still open. So just make preparations for that. The difficulty level does go from left to right. So the right side, the red side, is the hardest. All the way on the left, it's going to be the easiest. So it does give a lot of variation. Kids that maybe are just starting or kind of beginning, it is nice for them to try that. They do clip into this. This is a typical rock climbing wall equipment where they climb up, the belt retracts up with them. If they happen to let go or fall, it does kind of let them down slowly. So it's hard for them to get hurt on this. So this is a fun, safe activity for kids. There's no cost for this activity, so it's complimentary. You can go as many times as you want. Once you get down, so once you let go or you come back down to the ground, you get unclipped. The worker helps you unclip, and then you go back into the line. If there's a line, you just get to the back of the line, next person up goes. If you want to wait for a certain route, you might have to wait a little bit longer, or go on one of the routes that maybe you're not looking to go on. There is a nice seating area right across from this, so you can see there's some lounge chairs here. You can watch this. This is during a sea day. When the sun is shining, the wall can be a little bit hot, so if the sun is shining directly on the wall, it can be a little warm. It seemed like most of the time, though, the wall was shaded, so how they have it positioned on the ship does provide a lot of shade for the climbing wall area, so it makes it accessible and usable all day long. Now, whether you've climbed or not, even if you're a beginner, it's fun to try this out. It's fun to go up this wall. It's a great event to try on the cruise ship. Guys, well, thanks for watching the video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.